Hello everyone, I am Upinder and I am excited to give you a live product demo of Vanna protocol. Vanna is a revolutionary prop trading protocol that empowers traders and liquidity providers with composable leverage and seamless access to perpetual options and spot markets across integrated dexes. Today I will walk you through how our advanced trading protocol can revolutionize your trading experience. At Vanna, we have created a platform where you can borrow the liquidity from our lending pools and trade across markets like perpetuals, options, and spot markets. Unlike traditional exchanges, Vanna offers universal composable leverage, allowing traders to borrow up to 10x leverage with undercollateralized loans. This unique feature opens up endless possibilities for margin trading and advanced strategies. Let's first get connected with the wallet, which is very simple. You will find Connect Wallet option on the top right corner. Vanna currently supports multiple chains including Base, Arbitrum and Optimism. Let's start with the Earn section. As a liquidity provider, you can supply assets like ETH, USDC or other supported tokens to our lending pools. For example, in the USDC pool, you can see key metrics like supply APY, borrow APY and the utilization rate. You can supply assets to our lending pools and earn competitive APYs which are boosted by high utilization and liquidation penalties. It's simple. Click on supply, choose the percentage of your balance you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. After supplying liquidity, you will receive V tokens representing your position in the pool and you will earn interest based on pool utilization and liquidation fees. As you can see, the liquidity has been added to the lending pool. Next, let's explore the margin section. Here, first you have to create the margin account, which is a one-time task. Now you can choose the type of collateral you want to deposit and the asset you wish to borrow. For instance, if you deposit 100 USDC as collateral and select 4x leverage, you can borrow 300 USDC. After clicking on Approve Deposit and Borrow option, both of the collateral and borrowed amount gets added to your margin account, which shows key stats like health factor, collateral and debt. What sets Vanna apart is its universal leverage, allowing you to borrow funds initially and allocate them across any markets on your favorite integrated dexes all in one place. This includes the collateral as well as margin as well as the debt that we have taken. No need to transfer funds separately. For example, you could spread your borrowed funds to scalp a short gamma strategy, go long on perpetuals, sell call options and sell spot assets like ETH while neutralizing the delta and earn the premium until expiry. This flexibility gives traders the freedom to optimize their strategies and manage their portfolios in one seamless platform. Now let's move on to the trade section. In the perpetual market, users can take positions on leading perpetual dexes like MERX, Avantis or Per protocol. For example, with 100 USDC, you can open a long position on ETH with up to 100x leverage provided by the perpetual dex itself. You can also use Vanna's hedge mode, which allows you to open long and short positions simultaneously. This unique feature lets you hedge risks more effectively, providing greater control over your strategies. Once the transaction gets successful, the long trade is open immediately and it is visible in the position section and in the overview section as well. In the options section, you will soon be able to trade on leading protocols like Derive and Premia, leveraging advanced strategies like iron condors, straddles, covered calls, and many more. In the spot market, you can buy assets directly using your borrowed funds. For instance, use spot trading as part of a hedging strategy to manage your exposure effectively. Finally, let's talk about the Greeks dashboard, a professional grade tool designed for traders managing complex strategies. It offers real-time insights into delta, theta, vega and gamma metrics, payoff graphs for open positions, live tracking of PNL, health factor and borrow rates. Whether you're trading delta neutral strategies or monitoring liquidation risks, the Greeks dashboard helps you optimize your portfolio and streamline your trading experience. To summarize, Vanna protocol offers universal leverage with up to 10x on margin accounts and 100x on perpetual dexes, a single platform to manage perpetuals, options, and spot trades. Advanced tools like Hedge Mode and Greeks dashboard for professional strategies. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we are excited to see how you will use Vanna to enhance your trading journey.